Rob Mayeda joining us now. You know, it would be nice to get some naturally occurring sprinkling of the lawns.
That's a question we get a lot. You know, now that we're in fall, October typically is a transition month where you sometimes, especially the second half of the month, you do get some rain like we had last year, but also wind is something we have to watch for, and we're going to see a little bit of that, more of the wind factor, I think, in that 7-day forecast as opposed to the rain chances. But let's give you some October climatology as you look at our rain season, which many years we say it kind of gets started in October, and you look at this chart and you can see how the big months, obviously November through March. Yes, October, especially the second half of the month, we usually do see a couple of storms coming through the Bay Area. But again, the big months for us, late November, December, January, that is when you should see those storms arriving every 2 to 3 days. Right now, it's more storms that typically miss us to the north and bring just a slight chance of rain to parts of the North Bay. We'll hope to see those changes maybe showing up towards the second half of the month. But right now, we got 72 degrees and sunshine in San Jose, no clouds, northwest wind at 14 miles per hour, 75 degrees in Dublin, so comfortable for now. This same time, by the way, by Wednesday, could be close to 90 degrees as those temperatures start to climb on up, and into San Francisco, 64 degrees. Fog free for now. Those low clouds have stayed offshore, but as we head towards your morning commute, you'll begin to see the low clouds surge back across the inner bay. Also some high clouds passing by right around sunrise. And then during the afternoon, like we saw today, the clouds start to mix out around the inner bay. Patches of low clouds around Half Moon Bay and a few more high clouds, non-rain producing clouds heading towards the North Bay. So the summer-like pattern of morning low clouds and fog locally inland will repeat again tomorrow, and no big temperature changes for tomorrow. If you look closely from lunchtime to about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, Bayside temperatures still in the upper 60s to about the mid 70s. San Jose again at 75 degrees and mid 80s inland over towards Solano County. But now look at the impact of high pressure, less of that ocean air conditioning, which will get kind of compressed down. So most of the cooling effects will be right along the coast. But notice even the coastal temperatures, 70s in San Francisco. Thursday into Friday, look at these temperatures climbing now just in time for Fleet Week, and we hope the air show Friday and through the weekend. Mid-70s San Francisco, 80 in Oakland, staying in the 80s in San Jose, but out towards the Tri-Valley and Solano County areas south of San Jose, 90-degree temperatures, a real possibility starting as early as Wednesday and maybe lasting till about Saturday. The culprit here, summer-sized ridge of high pressure that is keeping us warmer than average for this time of year and drier than average. Even for the Pacific Northwest, they're going to be seeing less of those rain chances. And one thing to watch, what we do see more of in October as the storms typically miss us, is the potential for north wind. Right now, we're not going to see much of it between now and the end of the week, but there is some potential. Some of the medium range weather models showing you the change in those wind arrows that could indicate a little taste of those north winds. And that is something we have to watch as part of October. Diablo wind frequency really does start to go up this time of year. Right now, nothing really showing up between now and Saturday, but stay tuned. In about another week, we could see the first onset of some north winds around the Bay Area. But the good news for Fleet Week is it's good for visibility. You got temperatures in the mid-70s around San Francisco and valleys, which have really been comfortable the last few days, 70s and 80s inland. From about Wednesday through Saturday, we'll have a chance of seeing 90s back in the forecast. Temperatures about 10 degrees above average for those inland East Bay valleys, but comfortably warm in San Francisco, mid-70s to wrap up Fleet Week around the Bay Area.
Kind of a curtain call for summer, a little bit?
Maybe. Hopefully this is the last of the little heat spikes.
All right.
Need to get that rain in here.
Yeah. Rob, thanks a lot.